What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to convert a PDF to a JPG file. How can you be able to convert that is a PDF to an image? How do you go about it? Let's get started. First of all, I'll start by showing the image that is a PDF that will be converting that is to an image, or what you call a JPG or a JPG file, and it is just right here. This you can see it's a PDF, and I have already opened it. Now this it's an image. It's an image, but it is in PDF format. How can you go to change the format of this image that is from a PDF format to a JPG format? How do you go about it? So all you need to do, you just need to click the link in my video description, that is in my video description, and that image will direct you to that is a website where you can be able to download that is Photoshop. And the moment after you download that is Photoshop, after you download the Photoshop, you just need to double click that that is the setup, and be able to install Photoshop in your PC. Then after installing Photoshop in your PC, now this is what you need to do for you to go to convert that image from that is from a PDF format to a JPG that is format. Then from there, after now, assuming now you have already installed the Photoshop in your PC and you are on this page, so what you need to do, you just need to click open. When the moment you just click open, this will allow you to select the image that you want to change the format. You just need my image, I've saved it, that is in here, that is in pictures, and this is the PDF. Then you just click open, and when you click open, that PDF file will be loaded onto your PC, that is onto your Photoshop, the Photoshop that you just installed. And now you can see now there's an image that it is in PDF format, but we want now to change the format from PDF to that is PDF format to JPG. Then from there, assuming that we are not editing anything on this image, so you just need to click this, you just need to click file, and after clicking file you need to click save as. After clicking file you need to click save as. Then here you need to change the format. You can see the format is currently Photoshop. You can be able to see the initial format. We need now to change this from that is PDF to JPG, and this is JPG, and under that is JPEG, that is JPEG, and under JPEG we have JPG, JPEG, and JPE. So you just need to click this option, and once you click this option, just click save. And after clicking save, there's a box that will pop out with several options. You just need to click OK. Don't adjust anything. Then from there we have been able to convert that image that is from a PDF format to a JPG format. And you can see the image just right here. If you, for example, you can just right click this image and go to properties. Just go to properties, go to details. That is details, general. If you can check, you can just click general. You can see the type of the file is JPG. The file, the format of the image is JPG. Let's open the image and see if it looks similar to what we have that is a PDF. Just a minute. Okay, I can just place them side by side. The two images, that is a Photoshop image. We click here so that we can fill the whole screen. Then we can use these multitasking tools so that we can be able to fit these images on this platform. And you can see now on my screen we have the two images. We have this was the original image, and this is the final image. Let me place them just that is in the right way, using the right format. The initial image and the final image. Yeah. Now this was the original image. This was the original format, that is a PDF format, and now you have been able to convert to a JPG format. Any file, regardless of the file, any file, if it's a Word document, if it's any format which is in PDF format, not just an image. It can be something in form of writing, for example. It might be a document. You can be able to convert it. You can be able to convert that format that is from a PDF to a JPG using Photoshop. So you don't need to have deep skills in Photoshop. You just need to watch this video till the end, and it will help you to convert this video. That is to convert that PDF file to a JPG file. And that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe.